Well, alright guys, here we go, This is an epic day, and this right here that you see is an iPhone. Can't remember if it's 12 or 13, but somebody was kind enough to lend me this so that I could do an unboxing. And this is going to be epic. It's going to be epic because, as you can see here, this can be compared to the iPhone XR, which is humongous, and the iPhone 6, which is also humongous compared to that, and the iPhone, the original, but this is actually the SE version, so it's just a little bit different in size, but not that much compared to the iPhone original, which is what I'm shooting with right now as I make this quick unboxing. Now, for certain reasons, I can't show you everything that goes on behind here, but there's a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom, which I will release, and we'll see everything that we need to see.
Likey